Embraer has revealed additional details about its new Turboprop project. In late July, Rodrigo Silva Sousa, head of marketing and strategy at Embraer Commercial Aviation, laid out a vision for the new aircraft while also noting that the aircraft is targeted to hit the market in this decade. Before we move forward, we should note that Embraer hasn't released many images of its future aircraft. This, of course, makes it a little harder to display relevant visuals for a video on the topic. With this in mind, you might see some non-Embraer turboprops over the course of this video. We hope you'll enjoy it anyways. At a virtual Farnborough Airshow Connect presentation, Embraer's head of marketing confirmed that the project is moving forward. Sousa believes that the plane could be applied in markets with small demand and deployed to places where it's difficult to operate a commercial jet. Embraer's strategy moving forward is to create a turboprop that can reduce carbon emissions and fits in the large turboprop category, which would be a plane seating between 70 and 100 passengers. Embraer believes that it has the technology in place to bring the aircraft to market. Behind the scenes, it's moving forward, with the team conducting extensive market research and talking to engine suppliers. If you want to visualize where this turboprop would fit, it's set to compete with the Dash 8-400 and the ATR 72-600. The Dash 8-400 maxes out at 90 passengers, while the ATR 72-600 at the high end seats 78 passengers. Embraer's turboprop would also be similar in capacity to its current E-Jet lineup, with the E175 seating about 70 to 80 passengers, while the E190s are about 90. From this, we can see that Embraer is not necessarily looking to go back to its past with small turboprops and regional jets, but rather create an efficient turboprop that could support a variety of missions. Since the project is in its early stages of development, there is a lot more the manufacturer still needs to do. There are no final designs, no launch customers, and most importantly, no big partnership to move the turboprop forward. Previously, this was something the manufacturer was looking at developing with the support of the American giant Boeing. Rodrigo Silva Sousa believes that the plane could enter the market by 2025. That would be a relatively quick development period for the aircraft. However, if Embraer does find all the technology it needs and has solutions in place to build in the plane, it would not be too surprising to see Embraer push forward with development with this short timeline. One of the most iconic turboprops was the Embraer EMB 120 Brasilia. It's been over 20 years since Embraer designed and marketed the aircraft, which could seat about 30 passengers. The company's next turboprop will definitely be a massive advancement in comparison to the EMB 120 Brasilia. With this big jump, it's nice to see Embraer moving forward in bringing an all-new plane to market, something that's set to be more fuel efficient and provide an upgraded passenger experience. Are you excited to see Embraer launch a new turboprop? Do you think it'll be good competition against the Dash 8-400 and ATR 72? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles and a podcast every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.